academia diffusion experiment.
Now let us start with a brief overview of what is the main idea. We have been participating in diverse roles at EU versus virus, as it's the globe being challenged during the pandemic, and how EU versus virus happened. It was actually a global achievement, multinational and multi-aspected in many ways. And actually more than 21,000 participants participated in 3,500 teams, and on top of that, numerous mentors and organizers. So it was a phenomenon of its own kind. That was a great inspiration, especially since it was voluntary. Some of us, 40 or 50 people, tried to gather around and continue that. What did we want to achieve? Look backwards and capture the EU versus virus phenomena. That's why we used grounded theory. And then the second sequence in methodology was looking forwards and try to deploy design science research in order to portray EU versus virus. And we did in a multi-vortex tornado as a blueprint for disruptive global co-creation, where people, technology, nature all align. And how did we do it? Via the academia diffusion experiment. I'm zooming in here to read something interesting. We have done something remarkable at EU versus virus. Okay, how can we sustain it? It is magical for us and for me, so individual and collective inspiration. This crazy woman facilitates it. It is scary, risky. We've never met. Even now, some of us haven't met in person. We try to oppose co-destruction and inaction by collective co-creation and co-dreaming action, iterating, inspiring, with no fear, with open everything. We introduced actually a concept of opportunistic creativity. Everybody had accountabilities, diverse accountabilities that we helped self-manage, but also collectively manage. And that's why we said co-dreaming and co-creating in these terms. We did have a system of roles and accountabilities using the Danica managerial method. Our main idea was to produce applicable knowledge on how to co-create value together. And that, as a purpose, has been achieved. We do have a book on the way in contributions to management science for this to have special outreach across the world.
Co-dreamers, the recipe,
Thank you.
amazing.